My name's Anna and I'm currently doing my third round of 12 WBT. Before I started the program, I just totally lost my self-confidence and I just did not feel like myself at that time, and I was taking out my unhappiness on the people around me. I got to a point where I just really needed to make a change and I really needed to take control of my life and start feeling like me again. I had an event to go to and I had this dress in mind that I'd already bought a few years ago. And so I went to the cupboard, I got it out to try it on for the event, popped it on, and I couldn't do the zip up, and I was absolutely devastated. I didn't realise that I'd put on so much weight at that point, and that was definitely the point where I'm just like, okay, I need to make a change. I'm a huge junk food addict, sugar especially, so going from having, chocolate and lollies and that sort of every day to totally cutting it from my diet, I had the headaches and the withdrawals, and it took a couple of weeks to sort of get over that, but when that's all out of your system, you start feeling amazing. My life now is totally different. I have so much more energy. I jump out of bed in the morning at 6 o'clock and I'm just ready for the day. For me, it's all about the confidence that I've gained through it and just feeling so much better about myself. And I used to sort of go to the beach, wear like a one piece and sort of like slump myself on the sand and just not really feel comfortable in myself, whereas now, I strut out in a bikini and just feel really good about myself. And for me, that's more rewarding than the number on the scales. And this morning they made me run and run. And I just am so much happier. I finally feel like myself again. And I just really lost who I was, and now I feel like Anna again.